Hello everyone, let's draw a fun fridge. Let's get started.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock struck 2, away she flew.
Draw eyes. Draw eyebrows. Let's draw a mouth.
The dog barked at the clock struck 3. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Coloring time.
Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock struck 4. He ran out the door.
Blue.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock struck 5. She went to
Orange.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock,
Yellow.
the clock struck 6, oh little 6. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and watch other videos. Bye bye.